Telegram has announced the latest new features and improvements making their way to the popular messaging app. Video is the focus this time around. After launching group video calls last month, those sessions are now able to tally up to 1,000 viewers. The maximum number of people able to participate and broadcast to the video call remains at 30, but you can have quite the audience now for anything from online lectures to live rap battles, according to the company. Video messages will also now come through at a higher resolution, and you can tap them for a larger view of the clip. When recording your own video messages, Telegram says that audio from your device will now keep playing as you do so you can now sing along to your favorite songs or reply without pausing your podcast. You can now zoom in when recording with your phone's rear camera, as well. Other additions include screen sharing for one-on-one video calls with audio from the device of whoever's broadcasting, the option to auto-delete messages after a month, the longest option was previously a week, and more precise drawing. Telegram has also spruced up the user experience with animations for the passcode screen, and when you send messages on Android, iOS users already got these message animations in a previous update.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.